Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make cheesecake to sell, starting with essential preparation. First, research your local food safety regulations and licensing requirements to ensure compliance. Next, develop a unique and delicious cheesecake recipe, testing it multiple times for consistent quality and flavor. Finally, calculate all your ingredient costs precisely to determine a profitable selling price for each cheesecake you plan to sell. Now, let's dive into the baking process for your perfect cheesecake. Always use high-quality ingredients. This makes a significant difference in taste and texture. Remember to bring all your ingredients, especially cream, cheese, and eggs, to room temperature before mixing for a smooth batter. Bake your cheesecakes in a water bath to prevent cracks and ensure a beautifully even, creamy consistency throughout. After baking, proper cooling and chilling are crucial for a professional cheesecake. First, allow your cheesecakes to cool slowly at room temperature for about 1 hour before transferring them to the refrigerator. Chill them for at least 4 hours, or ideally overnight, to achieve the perfect firm texture. Finally, invest in sturdy, attractive packaging that protects your delicious product during transport and enhances its appeal. To successfully sell your cheesecakes, effective marketing is key. Create appealing photos and detailed descriptions for your online listings and any in-person sales. Offer samples to potential customers and actively gather their feedback. This helps refine your product and improve your sales approach. Remember to check the description for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals. Building a strong brand and customer base will help your cheesecake business thrive.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.